Hi, today we bring you a review of the two best robot vacuum cleaners. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 2. Chovery Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Chovery Windows Cleaner has successfully passed FCC and RoHS quality testing and certification, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Moreover, the power supply of this remarkable device has undergone comprehensive testing and holds FCC, UL, and RoHS safety certifications, providing users with peace of mind and confidence in its reliable performance. The central unit of the cleaning robot, equipped with advanced technologies to deliver efficient cleaning results. The necessary power supply for the device to function properly and effectively. A user-friendly remote control to conveniently manage and customize cleaning operations. Specially designed cleaning rings for thorough and streak-free window cleaning. An extended accessory for reaching higher windows and surfaces. A crucial safety feature to prevent any risk of falling when using the robot at heights. High-quality and reusable cleaning cloths to maintain pristine windows. Chovery Windows Cleaner, a smart and efficient solution to keep your windows spotless and gleaming. With its outstanding performance and numerous safety features, this advanced cleaning robot has received recognition through rigorous quality testing and certifications. One remarkable feature of the Chovery Windows Cleaner is its emergency power supply system, which ensures uninterrupted operation even in critical situations. This safety measure adds an extra layer of assurance, allowing you to clean windows with confidence and peace of mind. After powering on the robot, allow it 20 seconds to detect the glass plane by waiting for the blue light to stop flashing. Once the detection is complete, the robot is ready to start cleaning. Always secure the safety rope when using the device, especially for cleaning windows at higher altitudes. This precautionary measure ensures maximum safety during operation. Number 1. Midea M7 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Midea Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed for various cleaning needs, with its special wiping and absorbing ground brush. Its bagless design ensures hassle-free maintenance, as the dust box efficiently collects and stores dirt for easy disposal. The vacuum's installation is a breeze, as it operates as a fully autonomous robot, requiring no complicated setup. Embrace the convenience of mopping, sweeping, and suction in a single device, as the Midea Robot Vacuum Cleaner efficiently performs all these functions with ease. Proudly presented under the reputable brand name Midea, this outstanding product originates from mainland China, showcasing the exceptional engineering and craftsmanship of Chinese innovation. Discover the remarkable main features of M7 Pro, a cutting-edge cleaning companion designed to make your life easier and your floors spotless. Experience the power of 500 high-frequency vibrations per minute, ensuring a thorough and efficient floor wiping process. The Midea advanced motor with 4,000 psi strong suction provides exceptional cleaning performance, effortlessly tackling dirt and debris. The bilateral brush design optimizes dust collection, leaving no corner untouched. Equipped with intelligent technology, the M7 Pro can automatically identify steps and obstacles, offering 3,000+ escape solutions for seamless navigation around your home. The 5,200 mAh large-capacity battery allows for a long working time of 180 minutes, ensuring extensive cleaning coverage without frequent recharging. With up to 180 minutes of working time, the M7 Pro efficiently and thoroughly cleans your space, while the convenience of voice control and app control simplifies the cleaning process like never before. When it's time for a recharge, the M7 Pro automatically returns to its charging station, ready for the next cleaning session. You can subscribe to this channel to get more such informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.